Having fuel injectors on all mass-produced vehicles is one of the biggest automotive breakthroughs of the past few decades. If you've ever gone through having to start an engine with a poorly tuned carburetor when you're in a hurry, you'll agree. Along with improving reliability and performance by enhancing control of the air-fuel mixture, injectors also need less maintenance than carbureted engines. They do need occasional care, though. Below are some of the most effective fuel injector cleaners available today, along with some tips on easy ways to clean them and the fuel system. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 best fuel injector cleaners and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. So let's get started. Number 5. Royal Purple 18000 Max Atomizer Fuel Injector Cleaner. This advanced fuel system cleaner and performance additive is engineered to deliver maximum efficiency and power for both gasoline and diesel engines. Formulated with high-performance detergents, it deeply cleans your injectors, fuel lines, and combustion chambers, effectively removing carbon deposits and other buildups that reduce engine performance over time. Beyond its exceptional cleaning properties, it also functions as a powerful fuel additive that enhances combustion efficiency, allowing your engine to generate more horsepower while maintaining smoother acceleration and quieter operation. Improving fuel atomization and restoring optimal injector spray patterns, it helps optimize fuel consumption and reduce harmful emissions, ensuring cleaner and more complete burns in every cycle. Suitable for modern vehicles running on gasoline, diesel, ethanol blends, or even biofuels, this treatment works seamlessly across a wide range of engines, from small passenger cars to heavy-duty trucks. Each 20-ounce metal bottle is designed to treat and stabilize up to 20 gallons of fuel, making it both efficient and economical for routine maintenance or long-term performance care. For best results, it's recommended to pour the solution into an empty tank before refueling, allowing it to mix evenly and start working immediately throughout the entire fuel system. With an impressive effect duration of up to 10,000 miles, this cleaner doesn't just restore your engine's performance, it helps preserve it, extending the lifespan of critical components while maintaining top-tier efficiency and responsiveness mile after mile. Number 4. Lucas Oil 10003 Fuel Treatment. This fuel system cleaner stands out as one of the most versatile and effective options available on the market today, engineered to work seamlessly with both gasoline and diesel engines. Whether you're driving a modern fuel-injected car or an older carbureted vehicle, this cleaner adapts easily to deliver consistent results. Its unique, solvent-free formula ensures that it doesn't harm delicate engine components while thoroughly cleaning injectors, valves, and combustion chambers. Beyond cleaning, it also provides vital lubrication to the entire fuel system, including the pump, injectors, and upper cylinders, reducing friction and wear over time. This dual-action capability helps restore lost engine performance, improve throttle response, and increase fuel efficiency, allowing your engine to burn cleaner and generate more power with every drive. For diesel users, it's particularly beneficial as it helps neutralize harmful deposits and counteracts the corrosive effects associated with diesel combustion, making it an excellent pre-treatment before emissions testing. The cleaner's long-lasting effect can be felt over several hundred miles, ensuring sustained performance improvement and smoother operation. Packaged in a convenient 32-ounce plastic bottle, it's easy to pour and store, with clear measurement markings that help you apply the correct dosage every time. The manufacturer recommends adding 2 to 3 ounces for every 10 gallons of gasoline or diesel, making it both powerful and economical to use. Whether you're maintaining a daily commuter, a performance car, or a diesel truck, this cleaner is an all-around solution to keep your engine running cleaner, smoother, and more efficiently for miles to come.
Number 3. BG44K Fuel System Cleaner. If your car hasn't had its fuel injectors cleaned in a long time, and you started noticing sluggish performance, poor fuel economy, or rough idling, this cleaner might be exactly what you need.
It's formulated with a high-strength blend designed to tackle stubborn carbon buildup, sludge, and deposits that standard cleaners often leave behind. This powerful solution doesn't just clean the injectors, it also helps flush out contaminants from the combustion chambers, intake valves, and other critical parts of the fuel system. As a result, you'll likely notice smoother acceleration, improved throttle response, and more efficient fuel burn after just one treatment. Because of its professional-grade strength, it's a favorite among mechanics and car enthusiasts who demand serious results, though its potency does make it a bit pricier than other brands. However, the performance improvement it delivers often justifies the cost, especially for engines that haven't been serviced in a while. Each 11-ounce bottle is designed to treat a full tank of up to 20 gallons of fuel, providing deep, long-lasting cleaning effects that can help maintain engine health for up to 7,500 miles after use. This injector cleaner's advanced formula prevents future buildup, ensuring efficient injector performance and prolonging engine life. Suitable for daily drivers, high-performance cars, or aging vehicles, it offers easy, professional-grade restoration with impressive results. Number 2. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner. Fuel System Cleaner is specifically engineered to restore and maintain the performance of your engine by targeting every component of the fuel system, from injectors and carburetors to intake valves and combustion chambers. It's an excellent option not only for older, carbureted cars that often suffer from carbon buildup and varnish deposits, but also for a wide range of other gasoline-powered machines, such as motorcycles, lawnmowers, and motorboats. Its versatility even extends to gasoline hybrid vehicles, where maintaining a clean fuel system can enhance efficiency and smooth engine transitions. The cleaner works by breaking down and dissolving stubborn deposits that restrict fuel flow, improving throttle response, combustion efficiency, and overall engine performance. Regular use helps prevent future accumulation, keeping your system running cleaner for longer. The manufacturer recommends adding it to your fuel every 3,000 miles, or at the first signs of sluggish acceleration, rough idling, or reduced fuel economy, all common indicators of fuel system contamination. Each 20-ounce bottle is designed to treat up to 20 gallons of gasoline, making it both convenient and cost-effective for regular maintenance. Packaged in a durable plastic bottle, it's easy to pour and store, ensuring hassle-free use. What truly makes this product stand out is its broad compatibility. It's suitable for virtually any gas-powered vehicle or device, offering a one-stop solution to keep engines running at peak performance. Whether you're maintaining your daily driver, tuning your motorcycle, or prepping your boat for the season, this cleaner provides reliable, long-lasting protection and efficiency. Number 1. Liquimoli Jectron Gasoline Fuel Injection Cleaner. This fuel system cleaner is an excellent choice for keeping gas-powered engines running smoothly and efficiently. Designed for convenience and performance, it works effectively on nearly all gasoline engines, provided that the fuel injectors aren't already severely clogged. Its standout feature is its incredible ease of use. You don't need any special tools or mechanical know-how. Simply pour the cleaner directly into your fuel tank and let it do the rest. A single 10.1-ounce can is enough to treat up to 18 gallons of fuel, making it a cost-effective maintenance option for most cars, trucks, and motorcycles. Once added, it circulates through the entire fuel system, breaking down carbon deposits and cleaning critical components like fuel injectors, valves, and combustion chambers. The result is smoother engine performance, improved throttle response, and in many cases, better fuel economy. The product comes in a durable sheet metal can, ensuring long shelf life and resistance to leaks or punctures. According to the manufacturer's recommendation, it's best to use this cleaner every 1,200 miles to maintain consistent results and prevent buildup from recurring. Unlike some additives that require precise timing or specific conditions, this cleaner is flexible and can be mixed with fuel at any time, whether you're filling up at the pump or topping off your tank. It's a practical, no-fuss way to extend engine life and restore lost performance without an expensive professional service.
If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.